Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix incorrect screen time on any iPhone. Now, if you open settings, from here, if you go to screen time, and if you see that the screen time data is incorrect, and if you want to fix this issue, just go back to the main settings page. Now in settings, just tap on general, and from here, just tap on background app refresh. Then tap on background app refresh and select off. After that, just go back and tap on screen time, and from here just tap on turn off app and website activity. Then select turn off app and website activity, and after you do that, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on general, then tap on date and time. And from here just make sure that the date and time on your iPhone are correct. If they're not correct, just tap on the date, and from here just change the date manually. And also you can do the same with the time. Or you can enable set automatically, and it will set the date and time automatically on your iPhone. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open settings, then tap on general. From here, just tap on software update and check if there is any software update available. If there is any software update available, just tap on update now and update the software of your iPhone. Now once you have updated the software of your iPhone, and if this also did not fix your issue, then go to settings and tap on general. Now from here you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. Now from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and tap on reset all settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix incorrect screen time on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.